Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to create a Facebook account. But before we get into the main tutorial, I would like to introduce you to a Facebook group and a Telegram channel where you can buy and sell products safely and honestly. You can see this is a Facebook group where many people regularly share updates and sell posts. You are also welcome to join the Facebook group and deal directly with the admin. I will provide the link to this Facebook group along with the link to the Telegram channel in the description below. Now let's move on to the main part of the video. I will show you step by step how to create a Facebook account. First, open the Messenger app. Make sure the language is set to English UK. Then tap on Create New Account. Enter your first name and last name and then provide your date of birth. In this example, you are using a birth year in the 20s. Next, select your gender, then tap on Sign Up with Email and enter your email address. Here we are using an Outlook email address. Now create a password. After that, you will need to enter a verification code. You will receive the code through an email verification process. And there we go. Our code has arrived. As you can see, the account creation process is now complete. Now, to make the account more secure, I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. Before we continue, I would like to let you know, if you need help with Facebook or have any question related to Facebook accounts, you can contact us. Our contact information will be available in the description box, so you can easily get in touch with us. Now let's go ahead and add 2FA to the account, and there we go. The 2FA setup is now complete. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe our channel. Also let us know in the comments what topics you would like us to cover in the next video. And if you need any assistance, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.